Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to look at one of the most useful and time-saving features inside your CRM, the internal team chat. Good communication is what keeps teams moving forward, and with this built-in chat system, your teams can talk to each other, share updates, and stay aligned without switching between different messaging apps. Everything happens right inside your CRM, which means less distraction, faster responses, and smoother collaboration. Let's walk through how it works. To get started, click on the Chat app. By default, you'll see the internal team chat called Web Chat. This chat app is where all chat-related features are available. From here, you can also access WhatsApp chat. We've already covered WhatsApp Inbox and Agents Console in an earlier video. If you haven't watched it yet, I recommend checking it out. The link is provided in the card above and in the description. Now let's take a closer look at the web chat itself. A complete list of users is displayed on the left side of the screen. By selecting a user, you can view the full chat history with that individual, along with their online or offline status. The layout is clean and simple, so you can quickly start a conversation while continuing your work inside the CRM. Starting a conversation is easy. Just click on a user's name and begin typing in the message box. You can also use the search bar to find a user quickly. Let me go ahead and send a message to John Smith. Once the other person reads your message, you'll see a blue tick next to it, letting you know it's been viewed. You can also use emojis throughout your internal conversations. When someone is typing a message to you, you can see the typing indicator as 3 wavy dots. Messages you receive appear on the left side, and the messages you send appear on the right side, making the conversation easy to follow. Each message includes a timestamp with the date and time, so you can easily track when something was shared. You can perform certain actions on sent and received messages. On received messages, you have actions like react, reply, and forward, whereas on sent messages, apart from those 3 options, you also have the option to edit and delete. Let's look at these in detail. And inside every conversation, you can react to messages using emojis. Simply click on the ellipsis button, choose React, and then select the emoji you want from the emoji section. Your reaction will now appear on that message. Let's check the other actions. If you need to change a message you've already sent, just click on Edit, make your update, and save it. The message is updated immediately. Inside the chat window, you can see if a message has been edited. You can also reply directly to messages sent by others or to your own messages by selecting the reply action. You also have the flexibility to forward or delete messages whenever required. When you select Forward, you will see a checkbox next to each message. Click the checkbox for the messages you want to forward, then click the Forward button and choose the users you want to send it to. The forwarded messages will appear in the receiver's chat window, marked as forwarded. To delete a message, simply click the Delete button and then confirm it while the confirmation pop-up appears. You will see that the particular message has been removed from the chat. Whenever someone sends me a message, I'll receive a notification in my panel that a new message has arrived. For example, I received a message from John Smith. Here you can see the message notification. When I see the notification and go to the chat, I can also see a green notification button against John Smith's chat, indicating a new unread message. These notifications help ensure that important updates never get missed. If you want, you can clear notifications using the Clear option at the top right corner of the notification pop-up. Every new message sends a notification so you always know about follow-ups, task updates, and shared information. You can share files directly in the chat by selecting the attachment icon in the message box. You can choose files from recent files or upload new ones. You can upload up to 5 files at a time, images up to 5 megabytes, and media files up to 16 megabytes. Once you select files like images or screenshots, you can send them right away. These files will also show up in recent files, and you can upload more anytime using the Upload Files option. You can also view the profile of the person you're chatting with. The profile shows internal details about that user, And if any media files have been shared between you and the user, you can view all of them in one place. If you ever want to clear the conversation, click on the three dots at the top right. Choose the Clear Chat option. Confirm the action, and the entire chat will be removed. If you need to, you can block a user by choosing the Block option from the menu. After you confirm, a confirmation notification will appear stating that the user has been successfully blocked. In the message box, you'll see a permanent message that says, "This chat is blocked. Tap Unblock to continue." You can unblock the chat anytime with just one click. So overall, the internal team chat makes day-to-day communication much simpler because you never have to switch to external applications. Messaging, file sharing, notifications, user profiles, and collaboration all live inside one unified workspace. Thanks for watching, and we hope this feature helps your teams collaborate better every day.